Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. And today we'll be doing our first unboxing and review. So what I have for you is from Soulion. This is the PC desktop speaker R30. I got the Bluetooth and USB version. Let's get started on the first review. Okay, just want to say again that the brand is called Soulion. Here's the box that it'll come in. Some RGBs, crisp sound, USB plug, the wireless mode, which is for your Bluetooth. Model is the R30, which this is compatible with your PC, PlayStation, laptop, tablet, and mobile. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the box. So it comes in its plastic. So then pretty much in the box, you'll just get the speakers and then the instruction manual. Also want to highlight again that this is the USB version. So this USB is going to give me my power and my audio. The other version, it's your speaker with the USB, and also it uses the 3.5 millimeter jack to get your audio. So this one is the all-in-one, just using the USB. I'm going to connect it to here, and then also if I wanted to use my phone, I have Bluetooth capabilities with this as well. So let's go ahead and hook this thing up. All right, so we have the speakers plugged up. So as you can see, the RGB lights are on, and I believe there's 6 modes. So this is counting as 1. Then all you do is just press this in to change color. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So it looks like 6 different lights that you can choose from. So that's the RGB lighting. We'll move to the sound quality. So again, I just want to let you guys know that I do have the USB version, and this is giving me both power for the speakers and the audio. So right now I got music playing. It's turned pretty low, but I'm going to put my microphone kind of close to the speakers. So I got my mic right there. So right now I'm going to bump it up to 10.
And it's twisted, you can give you with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed.
I'm just gonna go up to 50. So right now we're at 20.
You'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Think 30 now.
Out of my nightmares, frame it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing? So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though
So with that, that's the sound quality for these speakers, and I'll go into where I got these from, price, and then overall what I think of these speakers. Now let me go into some of the specs again. And these are the Soulion R30s, coming with 2 speakers, each speaker giving off 5 watts. You got the 1 button for easy control. As I showed, you got your RGB lights, Bluetooth. If you want me to show you Bluetooth, just leave a comment and I can do another video on how Bluetooth works on these speakers. Again, this is the USB version. There's also a USB and 3.5 millimeter jack version. I like the all-in-one, so that's why I went with the USB for both sound and power. And then it states soft and delicate. I mean, pretty basic, I would say. You get what you pay for. Kind of light, plastic. So if you go to their actual website, Soulion, right now they're priced at $39.99. But if you go to Amazon has it right now for $28.99. If you are Amazon Prime, you can actually get these for $22.99. So again, this is where I got my desktop speakers from. I definitely needed it because I built this new PC and I couldn't listen to anything on YouTube. So definitely needed a set of speakers. So yeah, here's the quick review of the Soulion R30s. For the price, again, I only paid $22.99 for the price. And build quality, sound quality, it gets the job done. If you're looking for, amazing sound quality, amazing build quality, don't expect to get it from this. But if you just need sound coming out of your PC, I think these will definitely do. Especially if you're on a tight budget, these are perfect. So again, if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be doing some more tech reviews and unboxings. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one.